Okay, so when you splice your 360 camera on Doodoo 7, the most important thing you need to do is make sure that the left camera and right camera is exactly the same angle. So if you can see here, so it's actually the same angle on the left and right. So that means your right side camera, you have to twist it exactly the same angle with your left camera. So I'll show you here under parameter, splice, and then let's say for example this one. So here, if you can see the 180 degrees of the left and 180 degrees of the right, it's accurately exactly the same angles. If you see that logo there, car logo, and also that car logo, it's exactly the same. The edge of the front of the car and the edge of the front of the car is exactly the same. The edge of the rear of the left side and the edge of the right side is exactly the same. So if you see the distance between this line and then that line, and distance of this line and then the edge of the rear of your car is exactly the same. So that's the most important thing when you want to have an accurate or much better stitching on your 360 camera. For the front and rear, doesn't matter as long as you can see both and it's on the center, both front and rear, that should be fine. And also on your 360 calibrating cloth, I noticed that this square box, it would be better that it aligns with the edge of your car. So if you see here, the edge of the car is straight lined with the edge of that box, because when you put your cloth, normally it's something like this. Normally it's something like this edge of the square box is a bit far from the edge of from the side edge of your car. So if the calibrating cloth you bought is a bit quite far from the edge of your car, you have to adjust it, fold your cloth so that the edge side of your car is in line with that edge of the black square box. If you do that, you'll have a much better calibration or image setting on your left and the right side of your camera. So hope that helps. So this is now my 360 viewing. So that's the front. Yeah, so that's the rear, that's the front, here's the left, here's the right, and rear. So if I want to view, there's also another technique. If you want, so at the moment, if I'll click left, so that's front left, it's only viewing this side, this upper right side. If you want to view your side rear, you just need to tap. There you go. So that's my rear. That's my rear. Right rear, left rear. If I want to view front side. If you want to view rear left side, rear right side. All good. And let's go on 3D. And that's how it looks like. Right, all good. Cheers, mate. Doodoo 7.